Wix has a really great music player called the WIX Music Player. And I love this player because you can sell an album here and it's really got some of the best tools. In fact, I think the WIX Music Player is better than Bandcamp. So here it is. And let's try to add some music to it. So I'm going to go manage your music. And I'm going to create an album. And I'm going to type in the name of the album, the artist name. I'm going to add an image, add a genre, add a description. And this section is amazing where you can either sell for a fixed price, you can sell it for free downloads, nobody can download it, fans can name their price, or you can acquire an email for a download. So let's say I'm going to sell it for a fixed price, and then I'm going to set it for $5 US. I can change the currency if I want to any of the options that are here. And I can also add links so fans can access it on Spotify or iTunes or any other sort of platforms. And now I'm going to save and add tracks. So now I'm going to add tracks by clicking select tracks. I've already got some uploaded. And so I can go in here and edit all the track titles one by one to what I want it to become. And when I'm done, the album is available here for purchase. Very clean, very easy. A really good addition if you want to sell an album on your website. I believe there is a limit to how many tracks you can upload, but they do have a Wix music plan, which allows you to upload more music. So go ahead and try to add some music to your website if you're an artist and you have some music to sell.